On your mobile device, go ahead and open Google Maps app and make sure to sign into your account. Now tap on your profile photo. Here tap on settings. Under settings, scroll down. Tap on navigation settings. Guidance volume currently selected to normal. If you want, you can select softer volume or louder. I'm selecting softer and tap on voice selection, and here you can change your voice navigation voice. So I'm selecting here United States default, and if you want to play voice over Bluetooth, you can turn on Bluetooth from here. You can play voice during phone calls from here. You can play audio and must enable these options. And now tap on play test sound, and
This is what it will sound like when navigating with Google Maps.
so here we can see the
This is what it will sound like when navigating
test
with Google
sound.
Maps.
And here scroll down, and here you'll find a bunch of different options you can customize for voice navigation on Google Maps. And that's it, you have successfully turned on voice navigation